Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to instant swap two clips in your DaVinci Resolve project. For this I'm already in a new project and here is my timeline, and I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to instant swap these two clips instead of just dragging them like this, for example. What you want to do for this is go over to DaVinci Resolve and go to keyboard customization. Then type in the search bar, type in swap until this shows up, swap clips towards left and towards right. I set myself the keyboard customization keys on 8 and 9. Then what you want to do is just click, let's say I'm going to do 10 or 1 is okay, assign, and then click on save and then just on close. Now you can use them. For example, if I click now on number 8, this will change like this, 8, number 1, and that's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to instant swap two clips in your DaVinci Resolve project. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.